Let's make this quick, delicious ewedu alasepo. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have all the ingredients prep already. I have fresh turkey and fresh mackerel, smoked mackerel, some chopped pepper, chopped onion, salt and seasoning powder, locust beans, priseke, and I also have the jute leaf, alright? I'm making use of the frozen one, aka ewedu, aka jute leaf, alright? You can use the fresh one. In a pot, I'll go ahead and add the turkey and the fresh mackerel. I'll go ahead and add all the seasoning into the fish and the turkey. For this particular soup, you don't need curry, thyme, ginger, all of that, alright? All you need is locust beans and salt and seasoning cube, alright? You don't need all that ingredient, alright? Once I add all the ingredients, I add a little bit of water to it, stir everything gently, cover the pot and allow to cook. Back to the pot, the fish is perfectly cooked. I'm going to take it out so it doesn't scatter into the pot and continue to cook the turkey until it's perfectly done, alright? 'At this point, the turkey is also cooked. I'll go in with the rest of the ingredients. I will add the pepper, the smoked mackerel, the palm oil, and all that stuff. Alright. If you have crayfish, you can also add crayfish. Alright. But I didn't have crayfish. Okay. So once I add all the ingredients, I'm going to stir everything together. Cover the pot and allow everything to boil together for about 3 minutes. Alright. So everything can penetrate into the turkey. Alright. We want our meat to be well seasoned. Okay. 3 minutes later, the soup is looking so good already. I will go in with the ewedu, alright. Once I add the ewedu, I just go in and stir everything together, alright. I tasted for seasoning. Everything was perfect. If you need to adjust your seasoning at this point, adjust your seasoning, alright. Once I stir everything together very well, add the fresh mackerel fish pack, and that is it, guys. I just allow it to simmer on a low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to overcook your soup, alright? This particular soup, you don't want to overcook it. If you overcook it, it will taste really, really bad, alright? Just allow everything to simmer on a low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. And that is it, guys. Super simple and super delicious. 7 minutes later, I turn off the heat and that is it, guys. The soup is ready. Enjoy with any fufu of your choice. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.